without the macro lens. Good morning guys, a very good morning. Welcome to Port Douglas. This is where my trip ends for north for now. And I make my way back down south now. So from here I start going towards Sydney, towards Brisbane, and then towards home. I've got about 7 days to go, and there are a few roads that I want to do before I head home. Now this morning I woke up very early. At the start of the day there was no rain, right? So I managed to go to the bike and lube the chain. I managed to put the clothes for washing, and they are drying right now. Now I've got sunburn as well. Like, yeah, but that was from the second day, right? Not from the first day, but from the second day. This is, ooh, it's getting intensified. The last 60 kilometers from Cairns to this place were amazing. That road was like breathtaking. Man, this is just a downpour. There you go, sunny Queensland, guys, sunny Queensland. Today, I go back down towards Townsville. Now, it's the exact same road I'm going to take. There's this one road that I want to do that goes through Atherton and through Giles Highway, but I really can't. I just have to like follow the straight road down. So this is my place. It's called the Yu Young Diving Center, and all the rooms here are named after sharks and everything. So see that shark there? I'm using this app called Windy, and it always brings me to the wind page. I don't care about the wind page. Give me like rainfall page. It's literally rain all the way until Wednesday morning. All right. Yeah, it's rain all the way until 6 p.m. all the way until Cardwell again. So after Cardwell I might get some dry day, you know. So guys, I'm just gonna go and get my clothes and get them ready to get wet again, and see you guys on the road. Right, so the laundry here does give me change. The laundry at that place was not very good. Clothes there did not dry. And if I'm gonna leave the clothes wet in there, they're gonna smell by the end of the day. So alright, so that is drying. It's gonna take 32 minutes to dry. So in that time, I'm just gonna go around to Port Douglas then. There's the beach there, right? So enjoy that beach. Right, so the beach is done now, let's go. try and find some food around here. Have some food as well while the totes are getting done. Can't really see anything, really. Yeah, I've been just told off to park here. I've been just told off for that. So I'm gonna move. Guys, you guys getting more calls today? Oh yeah.
Not very fun for you either, right?
No, not at all. Came in the wrong one.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Melbourne.
Oh yeah. Ridden all the way up?
Yeah. So I went to Tasmania for 14 days.
Yeah.
And then after coming back up and going to Port, only up to Port Douglas.
Yeah.
So this was I wanted to come here for like 3-4 years ago.
Yeah.
But, you know, like all the COVID and all that shit.
Yeah.
So, but then after finally made it, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Now I'm heading back.
How many days are you going to be?
Oh, just one day.
Yeah.
I came yesterday. I can't do much anything. Like, can't go to a beach, you know, or I can't even fly a drone right now.
I hear ya. Yeah. So how long are you going to head around the country for?
So I was traveling for 1 month.
Oh, yeah.
I did 14 days in Tasmania.
Yep.
Now heading back.
Travel safe, huh?
Will do, thank you. Right, people, so washing is done. So now I go ahead and go out that way. Cardwell now. Townsville is that way, about 150 kilometers from here. I'm just gonna try and get some water out of my shoes. That's one boot. I can see the water on this one straight away. This is the region where a lot of sugar cane is grown, and this is a truck stop. And some of the towns have got the rail tracks that is going right next to the road, and sometimes they cross the road because the rail tracks are going towards the sugarcane farms, and they take all the sugarcane, and I think it's the narrow gauge as well. But yeah, now the rain stopped since the last town I stopped in. I think it's Innisfail I was stopped in. The rain has stopped since then. My clothes are starting to get dry now, which is what I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna keep on going after Townsville, because Townsville's only what, hour and 50 minutes from here, so probably about 2 hours, you know, and it's only about 3:30 right now. Pineapple, I can smell it. Oh, it's a GoPro.
Hey, right.
Hi.
Hello, how'd you go?
Good. So these two are I'll also take, actually do that, don't do this. I'll take a mango ice cream as well.
Yeah, you can do a single, a double, or a triple.
Sorry?
A single, a double, or a triple.
What's a single, double, like a...
Oh,
I'll take single, yeah.
Yeah.
And those two as well.
Awesome. So I've got the dried mango, the dried jackfruit.
Oh, actually, just make it dried mango. I thought that was I was looking for a small dried mango, but no.
Yeah, no, that's because of the one.
So
So I've got the dried mango, the mango chutney, the single mango, and then the tuna salad turkey sandwich.
yeah.
It's $48.50 when you're ready.
Lucky I stopped here.
Really?
Yeah, there's a cop car just drove past that way.
Yeah, lucky then.
Yeah, because I would be speeding anyways. I would have lost my license.
It's like a cone or a cup?
Cone, please. Oh, thank you.
That's all right.
How long does a sandwich weigh?
Won't be long at all.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Yesterday I went from Townsville to Port Douglas.
Really?
And it rained the whole way.
All day, yeah. Yeah, that would have been a big bike ride for you.
Well, this morning I'm coming from Port Douglas to all the way until Cardwell.
Oh, yeah.
Not Cardwell,
Rain today, eh?
Innisfail.
Yeah, right.
To rain all the way until there.
Oh, did it?
Mm-hmm.
We didn't get much rain today.
Good. So is the mango farms over there?
Yeah,
Like-
our farm goes all the way down to the bridge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
So that way.
So the whole side of this highway all the way down to the bridge.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so
worries.
much. Hello. Good. How are you?
Fine, always fine.
Are you the owner of the place?
Yes?
Cool.
You're here the first time?
Yes, I am.
Where you from?
Melbourne.
Oh, that's a long way.
Yeah.
And where you going now?
Today, somewhere near Bowen. So Townsville and go down somewhere like
Townsville?
until the sun sets. I'll keep riding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Townsville is good. I told this man, it's another man here. I say it's good to stay in Townsville overnight.
Yeah.
Have a nice dinner on the Strand.
How far is Townsville from here?
66 kilometers an hour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's good. And the Strand is beautiful. My partner has a $70,000 Harley at home. 70,000. Lucky he
So-
won it. Won it in a bike show.
Yeah. So how long are you in this business of mangoes?
30 years.
30 years. Wow. So do you live around here or you like
Out that way.
no.
Closer to Ingham than Townsville.
Alright. Thank you. See ya. Will do, thank you. No speeding, okay. So I'm just passing. I'm going down towards Bowen now. I don't have to end up in Bowen. I can finish it before that. It's about 200 kilometers from here. So it should take me about 2 hours. So I'm in this town called Ayr, A-Y-R. Bowen is only about 100 kilometers from here, so I can do that tomorrow easily, not a problem. But at least I've passed Townsville, which was the biggest thing. Anyway, so let me go inside and find out. Oh shit! Let me go inside and find out what happens. All right, got a good news. Got a very good news. The room here is only $79. So Yeah. So the lady said the cabin's actually $89, but because I walked in, she's just gonna give me for $79. Well, even if it was like $120, $130, I would have paid it, because I'm just very tired. Just perfect. Perfect. Oh. Now, you have to see the video tomorrow for this place. I think this place is, like, everything is, like, you know, in order here. Nice. I'm impressed. I've already paid for the food and the drinks. Let's pack everything in the room, go and get our food and get out of here. Oh shit. Looks like I'm tired.